and all such kind of apps. So you can play Subway Surfer, Temple Run, and all games without any lag. And if you want more free memory, you can just uninstall apps like Facebook and Truecaller and Viber and more apps like Kick, BBM, and all, because these are the application that constantly runs in the background, and that's why they take your free RAM. So they can cause lag in some games. So if you are getting a lag in games, you can just uninstall this application, and then you will get large amount of free memory, like around 200 or 250 MB of free memory, so free RAM. So then you can be able to play games without any lag. And now also with 100 MB of free RAM, I am able to play games without any lag, so there's not a problem in keeping a small amount of apps like Facebook and WhatsApp at least. So yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching, and if you have got any comments related to this phone, or A76, this one, that's A76 or A74 or A63, because all three phones are almost running in the same hardware and running on the same operating systems. You got any comments or any queries, so do write them in the comment section. Thanks for watching. I'll be back with you with a review of some other phone. Till then, have a great day, and yeah, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.